I think my outfit is full summer vibe. So what do you guys think? I'm going to rock this intro, right? So let's start. Hi guys!
1, 2, 3, funk it.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
Welcome back to my channel. So my name is Sapna. I make videos related to fashion and haul. And if you're watching this space for the first time, I request you subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, so whenever I'm going to upload video on Saturday and Sunday now onwards, you'll get a notification. आज का वीडियो basically एक haul है और वो भी एक Instagram store का haul है. I love that Instagram store. They have a very classy and chic clothes on their website and very easy policy. And I have seen their clothes all over Instagram. Instagram से मुझे याद आया, if you don't follow me on Instagram, this is my Instagram page. I post a lot of fashion related content which you will like it and you need to follow that. So go give it a follow, and without any further ado, I think we should start this haul. So यहाँ पे आपको जितनी भी चीज मैं ट्राई आउट करूंगी उसको कैसे मैंने स्टाइल किया है वो सब यहाँ पे आप लोग को दिख जाएगा. So yeah, let's get started. So first thing is off. Let me check the price of it. 490 rupees is this crop shirt. Now they have a logo inside and then यहाँ पर proper buttons है. Now when it comes to shirt, I'm very particular about the buttons. So I really like कि इन्होंने बिल्कुल इसके matching में details में buttons लगाए हैं. अपनी किसी like boyfriend jeans के साथ भी पहना था. So yeah, it looked like look at the buttons and look at the stitch like proper. बहुत अच्छा इसका border है and इस हिसाब से बहुत ही प्यारा लगता है. I think 490 rupees में this is a very nice thing to buy. जाते हैं तो Zara में जितनी भी shirts वगैरह है, it's not less than 15, 16 और 1700 या फिर कम से कम भी 1500 की होगी. And I think 490 में this is a steep price and you should definitely check this out. And इनकी Instagram का स्टोर में जो भी लिंक है वो आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूंगी. Now second thing which I have, now this top is very pretty. I really like. They have more colors in this. Like they have a satin version of it. I think in black and in white colors. But I wanted something different so that I can pair it with denims and I can pair it with white pants and all. So I got this top. This is for like 790. I think almost the price of Shein. So yeah. So this is the top and it has a wraparound top and like full fluff sleeves हैं. And I really like this thing like यहाँ पे क्योंकि जब आपका मुझे नहीं पता इसको क्या बोलते हैं बट ये जब यहाँ पे बहुत इकट्ठा मतलब स्टेडी रहता है तो ये जितना भी स्लीव है पावर स्लीव जिसे हम कहते हैं वो बहुत अच्छे से विजिबल होता है, बहुत अच्छे से दिखता है. Let me tell you the exact price. I need to check. It's for 725, not 790 also. It's for 725. I think 725 में आपको ये टॉप मिल रहा है and best part इनकी साइट पे बहुत बार सेल चलती रहती है. Maybe you can get it on a cheaper price as well. So make sure you keep checking on their sites. They have always ongoing some sales, some offers. So you can go check out. So I think 725 it's worth for this one. Thing which I got, crop neon jacket. I also love this jacket. I'll tell you the price of it because this one is for 790 and this is in jewelry material. मैंने बहुत पहले Zara से रेड कलर में मेरे पास एक कलरी जैकेट है, मैंने वो लिया था and it cost me like I think 1900 on sale. Nice. I really like the buttons and the fit of it. I think looks very classy and open करने में भी बहुत easy है. Usually क्या होता है जब कोई नया कपड़ा आता है उसके buttons properly open नहीं होते या बहुत सारी problem होती है. But this one is pretty cool. Yeah, I think college की लड़कियों के लिए brand you must check out if you are someone who is college student or if you are someone who is little budget conscious but still want to look stylish. You need to check out this page, guys. You need to check out this page. Really like how the neon is looking because the neon is one of the trendy colors, especially the green one right these days. Next thing which I have this dress. This is a beautiful dress. Like मुझे नहीं पता ये कौन से कपड़े में है, but this look pretty cool dress, and I think it looked pretty cool and pretty like a Barbie. And if you're going on some girly date and something like that, you should definitely check out this. And इसके साथ यहाँ पे जो इसका वेस्ट एरिया है उसके पास यहाँ बेल्ट भी है. So I really love how the belt look like cute. तो जितनी भी जैसी लड़कियां ना जिनको क्यूट है और जिनको ड्रेसेस पहनना बहुत पसंद है, आई थिंक उनके लिए बहुत परफेक्ट ड्रेस है. इसका प्राइस रेंज इट्स फॉर 1290 रुपीज. आई थिंक एज पर द ड्रेस इट्स प्रीटी अफोर्डेबल, बिकॉज यूजुअली जब आप ड्रेसेस के लिए जाते हैं सो यू कैन I think इतने ही रेंज में मिलती है. बट इफ यू थिंक लाइक दिस इज द एक्सपेंसिव साइड, यू कैन ऑल्सो चेक आउट देयर पेज. दे हैव मोर ड्रेसेस ऑन देयर पेज in affordable range as well. So I pretty liked it, and I think as per the material, because the इसकी सबसे ज्यादा खास बात मुझे ये लगी because ये let me show you one thing. Like it's almost like a 2 मुट्ठी वाला ड्रेस है, and आई थिंक इस टाइप की ड्रेसेस समर में पहनने के लिए परफेक्ट होती हैं बिकॉज इतनी गर्मी है. द मटेरियल इज सो सूदिंग, लाइक आई लिटरली वांट टू वेयर इट एंड नॉट रिमूव इट. लाइक ऐसा इसका कपड़ा है. मुझे हैव अ नाइट सूट, सो आई रियली लाइक दिस द प्रिंट ऑफ द नाइट सूट. लेट मी शो यू. आई गॉट दिस नाइट सूट, लाइक दिस नाइट सूट. So the material of the night suit is really nice. It is a stretchy material, and the best part, I like it, the elastic. Glad that they have kept the elastic very nice, and even the fit of the bottoms looks nice. Pretty cool, pretty comfortable on the skin, and very cute. I really like the avocado thing printed over it. And इसका प्राइस है for 1500. I think pretty good price, pretty affordable. And yeah, look at this. The sleeves and everything, like everything. Even अगर आप कॉलर पे भी देखो ना, मतलब काफी फिनिशिंग के साथ काम है. अगर आप बड़े ब्रांड्स में जाओगे तो यही आपको 2000, जब हम शीन पे भी खरीदते थे याद है, मतलब 2000 या वहाँ पे भी 1800-1500 तक ही मिलता था. एंड आई थिंक आई एम ग्लैड दैट बीइंग एन इंडियन ब्रांड दे हैव केप्ट these kind of prices which are pretty affordable for every budget friendly person. So yeah, so this is. And I think if you, this is a kind of night suit. If you pair a crop top, you pair a sneakers or flats, if you whatever you want to pair with this type of thing. Open your top, just wear a crop top and the trousers. It will look pretty cool. And I think इस type के जो ऐसे prints वाले जो night suit होते हैं, you can convert it night suit से day suit वाला vibe दे सकते हो आप बिल्कुल. और उस types की बहुत ही ज़्यादा cool लगने वाला है. Last piece which I have is this slip dress. So मैंने बहुत टाइम पहले ऐसी एक slip dress देखी थी Zara में in the polka dot, and it was for like 3000 rupees. Same like this में इसमें तो print है but it was in polka dot and almost the same color. So the day I saw it, I was like, okay, I need this dress in my wardrobe. So I got this slip dress. You see, it has a tie thing over here. तो आप इसको एक short dress भी बना सकते हो. Like, look at this. आप इसको एक short dress भी बना सकते हो. It will look pretty cool. Let me tell you the price of this one. 1500 almost, and I think it looks pretty cool. Look at the print, guys. Look at the material. I think the satin and the stitching. Usually, when I talk about the brands, like I have seen a lot of Instagram stores who manufacture their own products, but their finishing and everything is not proper. And the way I'm looking at the clothes, the finishing is awesome, and I really like the whole vibe of the clothes. So what do you guys think? Like, this dress looks pretty cool. Now they have more color into it. They have red, they have white, and I think the price range is also like between 1500 to 1000. You can check it out. And look at this. It looks so pretty, right? It looks good on me. I look good in everything, right? Oh, खुद की तारीफ खुद से ही. तुम में से कोई कर नहीं रहा तो मैंने सोचा मैं खुद ही कर लूं. So this is all this was all about the haul of Hey Missy, and I hope you guys like the haul. Let me know in the comment section which is your favorite purchase. I would love to know that. I am extremely happy. I think मेरे face से दिख रहा होगा by this all like haul thing, whatever the purchases are there. And thank you so much for watching, for tuning in. I hope you like this channel. If you like it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so whenever I'm going to post any of the video, you guys will get a notification. I'll see you next time with another video. Till then, sit back, relax and enjoy. Bye bye.